computer says no.
Okay, yeah, well, computer's very naughty boy. I've got a question here from Jimmy Swalec, yeah? Jimmy Swalec.
Just a minute, I'll show you a little bit of nice woods.
No, this is a different
No,
question.
you've seen them now, you've fucking mentioned it.
No, you're ruining me videos.
Why?
Because we've gone on to another question now.
Oh, right, go on then.
I asked that question and then you said I'm not doing that because it's got to be asked.
Well, I'll answer that question, what is it?
Well, no. Okay. What's the most memorable... This is from Jimmy Swalec. What's the most memorable guitar you've ever built?
The triple neck, I think.
Yeah. Which was for Dave. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, do you remember what that was based on? Was it like...
Thingy got me a picture and I made it to...
Was it
David.
John McLaughlin, or something like that?
No.
Who used to play a famous... the triple neck.
Triple neck.
I thought you meant the double neck.
No, the triple neck.
That's the double neck, yeah.
Yeah, that's the double
That
neck.
was based on a John McLaughlin
It
guitar,
was,
which is called
but-
the Rainbow or something, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Rainbow.
but if you look, if you can see it on with your camera thing,
Yeah, I can.
right?
Yeah.
The table, the top,
Yeah.
that was after one piece of maple,
Yeah.
and I split it twice.
Yeah.
So when it opened up, like that,
Yeah.
it matched all the way across.
Yeah.
I had to get it perfectly in line. And this inlays,
Yeah.
it's based on a Tree of Life, but it's a lot more. It's a lot more, really, because it's not
Tree
round.
of Life.
Tree of Life, yeah.
So it's more than life itself.
Well, it is because it's more realistic.
Do you put it down? Because
Yeah.
you're moving around.
And it took me 2 months to do all them inlay work.
I remember coming here watching you do this. When
Yeah.
It was winter one day.
It was really freezing cold. I was sitting there in the cold, just filing each tiny little piece. So you can buy them. You know, you can just buy them. Suppliers
yeah,
do
no,
them
that'd
now.
be ebony fretboards.
Ebony fretboards.
Yeah. Ambassador.
Yeah.
Gold hardware.
Yeah.
Lots of knobs.
Your knobs with your inlays in.
Oh yeah.
Abalone shell in the inlays.
Yeah.
Abalone round the edge.
Obviously maple necks.
Yeah, 2-piece maple
Slithers
necks.
of
Amazakwe.
Amazakwe. That's what I was going to say. Just.
Yeah.
Locking tuners.
No.
You don't be daft.
No.
Locking tuners.
No. Nice tuners. Didn't
Locking-
need to
locking
lock them.
tuners,
It turns a tremolo system on it.
Anyway.
But that inlay work was
Yeah,
really hard to do.
Yeah.
But they match exactly across. If you look, they're mirror matched.
Yeah.
So one flips out of the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, and each bit is exactly the same.
Yeah.
Well, as much as I can be exactly the same, just by drawing with a pencil.
Yeah, no, I remember you do with the dentist drill, weren't you?
Yeah.
Little dentist thing. Okay, well, I've got to point out now that is not the guitar you said was the best guitar you've ever built.
No, that was I'm very proud of that
Yeah,
one.
that's for Dave as well. Are you not going to open that up and there'll be a picture of the triple neck?
No, I haven't got the triple neck in here.
Well, what's that off then? Oh,
I've got
calendar.
one of Robbie Williams's ones there.
Who's holding it? Oh, it's you.
Yeah, with hair.
Well, let's flick through them quickly. Let's take
No, because you're not seeing them all.
Why not?
I'll show you in a minute.
How could you not see them all?
That's
Okay.
quite a lot of different ones.
I organised all this.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
And there's the
Rainbow slut.
Rainbow Slut.
Complete with guinea pig modelling.
That's the original Rainbow Slut.
Yeah.
1985 ball.
Oh, right. We still got that?
Yes, upstairs.
Nice.
That's my garden before it grew wild.
I
And,
don't recognise that.
and that is me getting piss wet through in Jersey.
Yeah.
Because I got trapped over there and
Right,
the bloody
so what?
tide came in.
Yeah.
And I'd got my wallet and everything and I was in a right state. And yeah.
Well, you were paying for things. Yeah.
Eh? I know that's Chris Bevington's
Oh yeah.
inlay on his bass
yeah.
neck. Can you see that?
I can't see that yet.
And there's
With the
the
Robbie?
that's the Robbie one. That is
Yeah,
the Robbie
the one
one.
that Robbie Williams had. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one he had. The green one is his nephew had.
Yeah.
RW, as you can see.
Oh yeah.
It was designed so that the
wrong.
pickup placement was exactly in the right place
Yeah.
for the tones that I use
Yeah.
on my sliding system.
Yeah.
So mainly they're there.
Yeah.
It's a real good combination.
Yeah.
Inlaid his name there.
Yeah.
Oh, and that was for Gentle John.
Yeah, Gentle John.
He was tattooist.
Not John Holcroft.
I don't know. He's dead.
I was going to say I'm doing a website for him at the moment.
No, you won't be there.
Yeah, I can say.
The Gentle John died.
Ah.
No, but I think Dave's got that guitar now.
Did he get electrocuted while he was playing that guitar live or something?
Don't be stupid.
Zzz.
Oh, and that was
yeah.
the
Lord Lemon.
Lord Lemon. Well, it was, you know, just in progress.
Yeah, all carved. Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure you've only got 12 months of the year in this yearly
Yeah,
calendar?
just 12. That's all.
Right, jolly good.
Just an old. It's just a. What's the name?
So it's a shame we haven't got. We ought to get Dave down with his triple neck really.
He said his
show it
son.
off.
He said his son hasn't played it because he had that.
Yeah, he had the. His son had the.
he had an injection for flu, and
it wasn't flu. It's something else. I think.
I think it was flu.
Might be flu. Oh yeah, really put him in a. He became what do you call it?
Narcolepsy.
Narcolepsy and something else. He just like be sitting at the table and just like go like clunk.
That's it. Yeah.
Straight out.
Say that. Yeah.
He's quite bright, he is, you know. His son
know.
is. In fact, I think he's just this year left.
He's got through college. Fine.
Yeah, like Cambridge somewhere. Yeah,
Yeah.
in like electronics or something. I don't know what he's doing. He's a bright lad. Apparently, he's just lost. Yeah, totally lost interest. But Dave did put a picture of the two guitars up, didn't he, on Facebook?
Did he?
Yeah,
I
you
didn't
liked
see
it, you
it.
silly
Oh,
twat.
did I?
Yeah.
Well, I've been asleep since then.
Yeah. Well, I don't think we've really answered the question very well there because we
Well,
haven't.
I answered whatever you wanted to know. And you want this exotic wood? There's a nice pair
Hang on a minute.
of what names? Let's drawn it out for a Les Paul. That's going to be the top of a Les Paul, a 59 Les Paul. I've got another pair there.
Yeah. Well, damaged pair now. Listen,
That's not damaged. And
if somebody says show us all your woods and you get out like 2 bits of bloody firewood,
it bloody costs
It's
a
hard-
fortune. That wood does.
it's hardly going to be a great video, is it?
Oh, for God's sake. And I've got some here.
Tell us about the ladyboys, Doug.
And I've got this.
Oh yeah.
This is another nice pair.
Yeah. It's funny, 'cause that looks like utter crap, but I know, I've seen this stuff before, that is like really nice wood, isn't it?
It's the bollocks, this
Yeah.
is.
Most people will be chopping that up,
Yeah, chopping
start
it
the fire.
up. That's I'll show you. I can wet this. You
Well,
can see.
you got another fine chunk that you
no,
can bring.
no, I'm going to wet it with thinners, with cellulose, nitro.
Put it down. Right, okay, this is...
So you can find anywhere to put them. That's on the bench in the assembly room.
What do you call the assembly room?
Over there. The repair shop there.
This is getting complicated, this is.
Hey?
It's suddenly becoming very complicated.
Yes, I know. Well, you wanted to see them.
Well, I'm only trying to increase your worldwide audience.
Okay. Can you see?
Just pour like half a pint over the top.
Be
That's
quiet.
what we need.
Don't need half a pint over the top.
I've got a problem starting my fire at home. I'm having to pour like
So
white
there you
spirit
are.
over the wood.
Which way are we? Oh, we're upside down. That's what you've done.
Yeah.
You bloody fool.
Just checking, see, keeping you on your
Okay.
game.
Have you got? Have you want? Is that okay? That
not
look
bad.
lovely.
Well, it'd look better if it's like properly done, wouldn't it?
Oh,
But,
for God's sake!
no, it does look nice, but on camera it's just like.
It's rough, but look
it's
at
like
all
you've,
the all the figuring that's coming
yeah.
out.
What kind of wood is this, Doug?
It's maple,
Yeah, yeah. Which
and I got this directly from Veda Sawmills in Canada
Yeah. Which you call
years
that?
ago.
Figured maple. What's it called?
It's figured maple.
Yeah. So did they send you that? Just that? Or
No, I bought loads of it.
So you've chopped that up, have you? Yeah.
Yeah, and I bought. No, they all chop it all up for you.
No, so
as well.
I'm saying,
It comes
so-
mirror matched.
So you had like.
You have
this
there's
and
two pieces.
Loads
Yeah.
of those. Yeah.
Yeah, loads of
That's what I
those.
said. Yeah.
Sean's got one with the nicest figuring.
Oh yeah.
That Les Paul I made him.
Oh yeah.
That's gorgeous figuring, but this is probably the same quality. Well, it will be.
Oh, hey up, who's here?
Somebody's
Piss
here.
off! How the fuck am I supposed to do videos of people turning up, Doug?
I don't. Well,
You need to
people
sort
always are turning up.
Sort your clientele out sometimes. See
So
what-
there we have it.
Is there a customer coming?
Yeah.
Aye, aye. Customer on a bike.
Okay.
Right, Doug.
Yeah.
I'll stop now. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
That's that then.